So once again guys, now welcome to our championship match game 1 between Nausan and Tumalalot, no? So na makita naton sa sentro sang court, no, sa tunga sang court ang duha ka team, no, nga gina-briefing sa aton officials with ODM, kag of course, no, sa aton mga 3-man officials, no? So makita natin subong guys, no, ang mga tao, no, Mario, tanan ng mga pulungkuan sa bench, no, daw halos lutok na left and right, no, puno sa mga supporters, spectators sang duha ka team kag siyempre sang iban man, no, nga gusto maglantaw sang championship match. Okay. So ginatawag ng first fight guys, ginatawag first fight. Clean Larry Losada, shout out. Muna yung first fight player sa Tumalalot. Eng, ang isa mo ka-referee, ilain uniform?
Pasang-pasang na yan, dahil sa court na yan. Kasi sa forward,
Basta mga official, abi na, kinanglan parehas mo.
Tingbuno na ako dito.
Okay, pinag-game. Game 1.
Kaya yung punto lang sinaing para hindi maglasang tabo. Ako sila rin. So first 2 points of the game, no, from Tumalalot guys. Okay. First deadlock of the game. Once again, shout out. Mares, shout out. El De Los Santos, shout out. Basel Lago, shout out.
Let's ball number 4. Diabore first, national foul. First team foul for Tumalalot. Vista. Bautista to Lola William. It's a foul.
Crisanto Bisada, shout out.
Foul number
Thank you so much
10.
for watching. My Torres, Vista Laging. Thank you so much for watching. Ma'am, thank you so much.
Servo. Diamore back to servo. Ay, good over.
Running score 7-2 in favor of Tumalalon. 7-2 in favor of Tumalalon.
Lisana.
7 minutes and 38 seconds time remaining first quarter.
Lisana. Pista. Pista turns. Pista shot. Good. Diamore. Diamore servo. Servo. Saint Paul.
Preston Celestial, good evening, shout out to you. Mary Jane Ponce, thank you so much ma'am for watching. Rima Hameson, so thank you so much for watching, shout out. Dearbon Ona, thank you so much.
Yan ka lang ako.
Servo. Servo.
Ang Abansi Tumalalot, 7-2.
Foul number 9. Stop. Abbas first personal foul. Second team foul kung tumalalot.
John Leonor, thank you so much for watching.
Bautista. Isa na. Passes the ball. Same ball. Vista corner. Three back. Okay, at the game.
Running score 7-5. Tumalalot 7. Nausan 5.
Abbas.
3 points now by Tumalalot.
Vista. Extra
Another 3 points from Tumalalot. So score na to 13-5 in favor of Tumalalot, 13-5. Ang score natin once again 13-5, Tumalalot 13 and Nausan 5. So Abansi ang Tumalalot. Nagkuha sang duha ka sunod-sunod nga 3 points ang Tumalalot nga sa di naghatag sang duha nga cup.
Bautista. Lamin. Lopez. Dupi. In and out. Okay na lahat. Betis. Miscommunication symbol.
Onel Agostelio. Yes sir. Good afternoon kay shoutout. John.
Vista.
Nicky Celestial, thank you so much for watching.
Isa na wala.
Shoutout.
Shot shoot. Servo. Isa na. Bautista. Vista. But it's a foul.
Arnold Visa, shout out. Thank you so much, Arnold Visa, shout out. Thank you so much.
Second personal Bautista. There's a back basket.
Charlene Grace, shout out. Thank you so much for watching.
Second and third is na. Ay, nakatupok na.
And support back by Lisaga, another 2 points for Nausan.
Equalizers the ball against Lopez. Oh, Giovanni.
Ang colors ng Tumalalot, ang may pagka dark blue, no? May pagka dark blue, na something may pagka black man. Ang one is blue kit. Ang Nausan blue kit. May pagka black ang Tumalalot. Ang Nausan blue.
8 seconds violation, turnover. Turnover. For 10 seconds at the jet lag, ha?
The championship ni siya, championship match game 1. Championship na ni siya game 1 sa Nausan kag Tumalalot.
10 seconds.
Ang game 2 na to sa Marcos. Sa mga Laurelia Cup, mayong gabi, salamat sa diwat. Good evening. Shout out Cup. Thank you so much for watching always. Ang mabuot, gwapon, no? Pag mahugod na kapitan sa Bongse.
Vista Bolívar.
Sa Laurelia.
Lizana. Speed.
Now it's a deadlock of the game, 13 all. It's a deadlock of the game, 13 all. For both teams, Nausan and Tumalalot.
Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 26.
Noted, oh, amo gani man sa dako na sangagan magpamati.
First period.
So ang ato ning game 1 so buong no game 2 naton is Martes. Ang battle for third sa Martes man mismo sa game 2 sa championship lan. So subong one game lang sa championship match.
Violation. Salah. Okay, sunod. Amas.
Maris Lipardo, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you.
Okay, number 4, Haria Bore, warning. For extra motion. Extra emotion. Servo. Servo tapos the ball. Servo. Servo. Okay, Luzon. Away. Away from the ball is Luzon. It's a foul. Number 11, Lopez. First, chip na yung niyang championship. Nagtago-tago sa ball ng militar. Dapat tinatag mag-wala na Servo. Servo na Luzon.
Pastor, good evening. Shout out to you, Pastor. Thank you so much for watching. It's a 3-point now from Tumalalot.
In favor
So, sa atong umpisa sa Lampang, grabe crucial, very crucial. Babato man ang Tumalalot. Another 2 points from Nausan. Thank you so much, Sir Pastor, for the precision. Owen Larry Lusada, thank you so much for watching. Shout out. Shout out kay Commander 14 Ed Cuartero. Aki shout out no. Kay Commander 14 Sam Cuartero.
3 points to lead, 3-point lead. 18.
Thank you so much 104 viewers. Our score, Tumalalod 18, Nausan 15. 18, 15 ang score. Lamang ang Tumalalod. Okay. So, plus 2 points sa Nausan.
Lisada.
Ang atong na score is 18-19. No? So lamang na ang Nausan Subong, no? 18-19. Lamang na ang Nausan with 1 point. Bula sang Tumalalod. Gerson Larry Lozada, shout out. Maris Lipardo. Yes, 18-19 Mar ang score. 18-19 pabor sa Nausan. Okay. So 20 now, 19-20 lamang na ang Tumalalod. Lamang ng Tumalalod.
Lula. Lisada. Entry pass to
So may foul counted guys, no? May foul counted kay Vista. So this will become 21. Kung ma-shot niya ang bonus shot, maging 22. Kung mag-shot na, So wala.
Awas.
20-21 na ang score, 20-21.
Say more 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds.
Jan Cantillon, thank you so much for the appreciation. Welcome and shout out, Jan.
Tulisana. Mananayin pass to Lison. There's a foul number 7, Distor. First penalty. First personal foul. Penalty na Tumalalod.
So sige ako 20-21, no? Penalty shot para sa kay Besta sa Nausan.
First basket.
22 na ang score sa Nausan, 22. 2 points lead by Nausan.
Second attempt on Vista.
1.32 seconds time remaining.
Yes, 2.20,
So 23 na. 23-20. Lamang ang Nausan.
Yan mo na naman sa mo.
Placer Hortensio, salamat sa live. Yes, thank you so much appreciation. Thank you so much appreciation. Shout out to you, Kla.
Seconds.
Johnny Laho, thank you so much.
Yan mo na. Against Nora.
Thank you so much 102 viewers. 22-23 ang score. Now I believe 22-25 ang score.
Servo, 1 minute remaining time. Servo time. Servo. Turnover. 22-25, 3-point lead. And favor of Nausan. Lisana. Si Pragais na. Pragais na yung sa ball. Lura. Lisana. Lisana. Stop and shoot. Too good. Panover na rebound. Look. Oh, nice. Oh. For Serpo. 37 seconds. Remaining time first period.
Duna La Cuarta, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you.
20 seconds. This time, crossover. Extra pass. And one foul number 4.
Another 2 points from Lausanne. Ang lamang na to, Lausanne.
Chance to 3-point.
22-27 ang Lausanne lamang with 5 points. No? 15 seconds na bilin sa first quarter.
Puro siya.
29 na. Ayun, 28-28.
10 seconds.
28-22, 6-point lead by Lausanne. Yes. Naglagas pa 2 points ang Pumalalon. That's the end of the first quarter. Okay, so back to the ball game for our second quarter, no? Second quarter na kita. Lain naman ang players, no? Another first 5 players. So once again, 24-28 ang score. 4 points lead by Lausanne.
Olio. The number 13. Back to Olio.
Arnel Page Manzanares, shout out sa pamilya Manzanares sa Barangay Pampang Norte. Thank you so much for watching, Arnel. At shout out sa pamilya Manzanares sa Pampang Norte.
Dugo. Remata mo na. Serna. Osdiel. Lantoria. Jesus. Jesus di ball. Jesus drives. Jesus make. Also, it's a foul. Number 13. Someone is first personal foul. Lantoria. Araw sa crossover. Oh. Estrella Torres. Estrella. Extra pass. No good.
Ang score na to sa Gapon 24-28 lamang sa 4 na puntos ang Pumalalon.
First person bola Estrella. Serna. Estrella. Stop and shoot. No good. Serna. No good. Oh. Para sa mga kapatid. Jump ball ang mula sa tumalalo to. Lantoria. Lantoria del Sumo. Jesus.
Warling Halidal, Lunas, thank you so much for watching. Shout out.
Big pass. Ito ay Lantoria big. Asa.
Grabe nga gawan isang bulan, championship match gate. Game 1 pa lang tayo ha, Game 1 pa lang tayo. Game 1 pa lang ito, no? So, whoever will win tonight, no? There is still another game on Tuesday, no? For game 2. Yes, Nel, thank you so much also. Welcome.
Papalit yun sila kita yung sinunod-champion bro. Wala yun. Ito ma-extend mo na marami.
So wala din naghalin ang atong score na 24-28 no? Pagsulod sa second quarter. Wala din nadugangan ng score.
Jesus. Someone is running on. Someone is Olio. Olio. To someone is Olio. 10 seconds. Sena fake. Sena. Ay, siya tulog.
Thank you so much 104 viewers. Thank you so much 104 viewers. Thank you so much. So my dear guys, no, my dear sirs and ma'am, paki-share na lang sa aton nga video no para na lang bulig nyo sa akon. Kag siyempre para man sa aton nga pagpadayon sa aton page, kag sa aton nga pag-vlog no. Because this is just for you, this is for our service also to the people, especially for Mapusaunon at Kapusnon, no? Kagkutob sa malabutan sa aton nga page nga nagakinanglan man sa aton servisyo, no? So salamat gid my dear viewers, paki-share na lang.
Jesus. Next up pass. 10 seconds. Victoria. 5 seconds. It's a foul. Foul number 16, sir.
Thank you so much gid Ma'am Jen for always supporting, for always sharing our page. Thank you so much for sharing our live. Thank you so much gid sir Ma'am Jen for sharing. Dako gid nga bulik. Abra kadabra good tumalalod.
Yes.
Yes, shout out Abra kadabra. Juby Marquez de la Cruz, thank you so much for watching. Shout out.
Second time na Rosa.
Ma'am G, once again, appreciated, no? And noted again sa imong nga pag-share. Damo, duro-duro, salamat.
3 28 13 2.8.
So ang inyong engagement, ang inyong pag-like, pag-heart, or whatever, no? Sa aton reaction, will help my live coverage and for my page. Mares Lipardo, go, no saan, shout out. Sir Kabalan Vlog, thank you so much sir for sharing my live coverage. Dako ginangabulay sir sa akon, no? So we will do also to you anytime, no? Asan may arakaman. Ma'am Bell, thank you so much for watching. Shout out Ma'am Bell.
Lopez.
Ari Lesada. Good evening, sir. Shout out lang da. Dingka, Jay. Dingka. Nala ko daw wala kita rin nakita. Dito si Jay. Dito si Jay. Si Jay wala sa di ay?
Sino?
Si Jay.
Jay.
Oh,
Diba
diba
sa...
Ah.
Betul ito mag-repair sa pinaka...
Ah. Yes, Jay, noted, appreciated, no? Pag watch mo sa aton nga live coverage. Thank you so much sa Sir Jay, no? Aton nga isa mga official diri sa ODM, no? So, nabatian ko kay Commissioner Pai nga daw kapoy kagit sa inyo mga pag-official kay na. Matthew Alan Miguel Toledo. Ang score naton Tan is 32-30. Lamang ang tumalalo this time. May traveling violation in favor sa tumalalod. 32 ang tumalalod. 30 now and 2 points lead by tumalalod. Tumalalod is now leading. 32-30. Kanami sa ngampang. Very crucial, guys. Well, be Joy Flaga Simpson. Thank you so much for watching, Joy. Shout out to you. Mercy Salazar Castro. What a game, gid ba? Yes, Met. Na very crucial. What a game is this? Very crucial. Okay, 32-30 sa gyapon score ta. Bula sa Nosan. Now, Nosan got 32. It's another deadlock of the game. 32 all. Yes, Jay. Noted. Kay ambal ni Commissioner Paing daw kapoy kagit. Noted. So, pawayway lang. And take your time. What again is that? Romarico F. Pagayon, sir. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you, sir. Romarico, the Mambusaw legend. Rainier Lena del Rosario. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out. Tauros. Thank you so much for watching, sir. Angelo Wesson. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out. Ari ko sa balay, sir. Kapoy. Referee. Okay. Kapoy kaman sa referee sa, no? Sa Tawog Mers, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Deluna Leonardo, thank you so much for watching. Yes, Ed Deluna Leonardo, shout out. Reggie Liliano Launio, thank you so much. Shout out. Rose Lianto, shout out from Iloilo. Rose Lianto, shout out from Iloilo.
Jesus. 10 seconds to shoot. Jesus. Long two. Go, go. Okay na muna ni Bao. Oh.
32-37 guys, no? 32-37.
Una sa Nausan.
32-37 shoutout guys, no? Bali ang aton 37 no? Nausan, then tumalalod 32. Lopez Paps, thank you so much for watching. Shoutout Lopez. score Nausan 32-39 now, 7 points lead by Nausan. Okay, Lopez Pop Vlog Capis. Shout out to si Sir Lopez Pops Vlog Capis sa atong upod man sa vlogging group, no. Shout out to you, Sir Lopez Pops. Jason Castaneda Asares. Yes, finals na, this is game 1 of Nausan versus Tumulalod, no. Diri lamang sa Mambusaw Capis Civic Center iya sang Pambansang SK Federation Inter-Barangay Basketball League, no. Good evening, sir. Shout out watching from Malta, Europe. St. Jude Galliano, thank you so much for watching. Shout out from Europe. Jolito Rocio Mayong gabi, sir, from Bula. Okay, noted, shout out.
Opinion first, personal foul penalty. Bergo personal.
So second quarter pa lang tayo, second quarter tayo of this championship match, game 1. Second quarter, ha?
1 of 2.
Second quarter. 2 minutes and 30 seconds time remaining. 2 minutes and 30 seconds time remaining. Was nyo, Team Nausan, Mercy Salazar Castro. Noted, sir, noted. Bergie Scala, score, sir. So once again, our score is 33-39. 33-39 in favor of Nausan. 6-point lead by Nausan. Lovely Leonardo Andrade. Yes, may pamangkin. Love, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you, Love.
Yes. 41-33. Malupag siya. Latoria. Bergo. Serna. Serna na usumol. Serna si Kaling. Oli yung pick. Oli. Sabones. Shoot. Oli yung pick siya dito. Sabones moving. Serna.
St. Jude Galliano, shout out kay Paing, sir. Well, shout out Paing Laging, no, the commissioner of this league from St. Jude.
Ang Yasulio, nag-rera. Nag-isol. Osborne, number 27. 27.
Preston Crespo Ganilian. Go, Sherna. Shout out Preston.
Latoria. Goes to the basket.
So shout out gid, no, sa aton commissioner sa aton officiating kay Rafael Paing Laging. Ginapa shout out gid, no, ni St. Jude Galliano. Bakat si Parigoy pang Jude sa player na.
Foul. Number 18, Jesus. Second. Whatever penalty, ha? Sabones.
Jubilan de la Cruz, Silo Santana. Yes, Neng, yung gabi man, Jeng, Neng, thank you so much, man. Good evening, thank you so much for watching. Shout out kay Nining, gwapa-gwapa nga upon namon sa LGO 3 sa office, LGO Mambusaw.
50 segundos. niya di mo. 11 point kita. Serna Muna, 3, no good. Okpinya. Oh, nag-dive na naman. Okay. Arosa. Arosa di mo. Arosa.
Yes, noted, John, noted. Kristen Crespo. Score, sir. Ang score natin is 34-42. 45. 34-45, 11 points lead by Nausan. 34-45, 11 points lead by Nausan. Nausan ang mula. That's the end of the second quarter. End of second quarter.
Si Mary
So,
Lopez.
Malben Lisadalot, thank you so much for watching. Shout out kay Foreman Ropo, turnout from Paranaque. So, shout out kay Foreman Ropo, no? Watching from Paranaque. Thank you so much, Sir Malben Lisada.
Miss Laura Jesus.
Brian John Gabaya Lagapias, pilang score, sir?
Okay.
Well, ang ating score, as usual, 36-45. Bali, 9 points lead. 9 points lead by Nausan. Siyam ang abansi sa Nausan. Second quarter, no? Standby para sa third quarter, second half.
Face of the night. Sige na, dali na ma'am. Okay, ginaulit na. Bigawan niya na lagi na mga documentation. Okay, wawari. Is Laura Jesus. Grabe no. Is booked in. Wari. Tapos ang cellphone ang nagmamangaya mo nila sa tabi. Ang liquidik. O, di ba matahong dito? Sa dyan ang baby.
Okay guys, back to the ball game. So, okay na may nagpamangkot rin na finals. Yes, final na yun championship match. Game 1, no? Game 1 kita subong. So, tunga sa Nosan, kag tumalalod, no? Ang game 2 sa Martes na, pati gayon nun, kadungan, kag siyempre man, may game 2, may ikaduang ampang, amo ang battle for third, no? Battle for third sa pang Norte kag Burias. Sa subong isa lang kita kampang, no? This is a championship match finals game 1.
Pero ko palipat sila Will Merrill. Leabore. 3 points, no good. Rebound, Jesus, take away. No good. Set up for the rebound. Isana. Long pass.
Shout out kay Glemer April Paldopar. It's a 3 points, 3 points from Tumalalod.
Isana nila sumo.
So may napasahan ako di kinano, Plawi.
Second free shoot, Isana. Winters. Grabe. Masyado na overpower. Huwag kinalam niya yun, no? Second verse na ba? Because I work na Dr. Magaling. May cross na rin na sana. First attempt.
Ariel Noel laging opinion, binalikan din natin. At ako'y nasa gitna, si Papa ko Nusan, si Mama ko Tumalalod. Ito na kagin man na Ariel na. Shoutout na lang sa tanan, thanks sa live sir. Kung sino ba daw, hi dog man. Yun ako. Corrected, Ariel Noel laging opinion. Oh, laging opinion Nusan. Laging ang laging tumalalod din man baw sa tunga-tunga kagin man gid. So tanan gid bisan sino tumawag sila imo man. Malvin Lizada Lutsing plus 15 nausan ako yaan ang Andreat. Jaylin Lidonyo. Ihada, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you. Erwin Lapides is watching. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out. Malvin Lizada Lutsing Kasar. Daw kalabanan din manabatian ko diyo do plus 15 ang ginapangayo sa mga gapusta plus 15 ang tumalalod, no? Pero way ko daya kentra ha kag way ko daya kabalo sang ila ginahimo, no? Ka-relate lang ako sang ila ginahambal. So shout out lang dakod sino makapaldos sa karon ha. Shout out lang da karon.
That's a knock, Jesus. Jesus, no good. 12 point lead ang Mesta.
Thank you so much sa 109 viewers na to, no? Thank you so much.
Lizada. Bautista. Safe ball. Ano to?
39-53, 14 points lead. 14 points lead by Nausan.
Oh, ano rin? Tignan naman niya po ba? Okay, safe ball. Bautista. Vista. Cross court pass. Lizana step back. Lizana. Kurang jump to the lead. Naman ang mahal ng Servo. 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 Pinasa. Ang Shadows.
So another 2 points given by Tumalalod. Nausan for the ball. Para si Lisada is watching. Thank you so much. Shout out. Bista for the ball to Lisada. To Serna. Traveling violation was called. Visual Lago ang score na to. 41-53, 11 points, 12 points lead by Nausan, no? Di na naglabo 30 na sa Sabong.
Yabore.
Sabong 12 points na lang, no? Lavender is watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, 122 viewers. Makishare-share lang, ha? Makishare-share lang sa aton live coverage. Thank you so much. Time out. Called by Tumalalod. So score na to 55-41, 55-41. So sinsya nakamute kita, no? Kay kaysa nag-avoid kita sang copyright music, gani kung kaysa hindi nato madiparahan nga nakabalik na gali kita. Ang ginto naton Martis Binto naton Martes together with the Battle for Third. Yes, nakamute ko. No? Kaya kung isa kung magtunog kami music, nag-avoid, nagalikaw kita sa copyright music. No? So ang aton live, wala, ginipikto na yun. Sa kay Mita, sa kay Facebook on ang music registered. No? Makapiright pa lang kita. So hopefully, no, naka-intindi ang tanan, naka-intindi kita. Nga kung isa nalipasan naton, mag-unmute, no? So paki-remind na lang sa akon, by giving message there, by Mrs. Jamie. Sir, bro, Edwin Leonardo Labasan, no, my brother Ian Lim. At the same time, my brother, my sir, my kaser in Kabalikat Cibicom 343, Mabusaw chapter, si Sir 76. Good evening to you, Sir Edwin, and shout out.
Okay, shot clock expire.
Naka-unmute naman, tasabong naka-unmute naman tayo.
Mr. Rezo, mag-ibawi na ispas. It's a foul, number 22, third personal foul.
So, for the information of everyone, for the information to you, my dear viewers, no, third quarter na kita, third quarter combinations ang first 5 players kag sang second 5 players kay nasa first quarter kag second quarter. So mga best player nila ari na diri, no, combination na. Pastor, thank you so much, Pastor. And very welcome get Pastor Herman. Ang mabuong kong amigo ng Pastor Herman Restaurant. Ang nose 46-56 in favor of Nausan, 10 points lead by Nausan. 10 points lead by Nausan. Bula sang Tumalalod. Nag-change court na. Sa left side naton ang ring sang Tumalalod. Pag ang right side naton nga ring ang iya sang Nausan.
Okay. No pay ko aton peso na tayo.
Pre Brian Lisada, shout out pre.
Ayun kami na
Ram Malden Lisada ng team. Sir Ramuel, Sir 73. Sa Kabalikat Cibicom, upod naton. Kag my dear brother man Salim. Thank you so much, Sir Ramuel, Sir 76. Sir 73 and Sir 76 also. Nawak. Jerick Sonyo, thank you so much for watching, shout out. Mamar Tubamos, shout out kay Ri Padasa. from Mamart Cobamos. Shout out. Mamart Cobamos. Thank you so much for watching.
Against Jesus.
Thank you so much sa 112 viewers naton.
Gets at 2 points. Basket count foul number 7. Sam. Third personal foul. For number 7 na Ali Bore. Ali Bore. Apas. Senta. Yes. 46-59, 13-point lead. Servo.
Sir Kerwin Lambarti, thank you so much, Smith, for watching. Shout out to you, Sir Kerwin Lambarti. No, isa ko sa big time kag-negosyante nga classmate. Batch 86 ang Saint Catherine Academy. Sir Kerwin, thank you so much. Shout out. Jeric Sonyo, shout out kay Servo. So, sino rek nga Servo ang player sa sulod? Naghampang. Baskog si Servo.
11-point lead. Lisana. Lora.
48-59 ang score. 48-59 in favor of Nausan.
Ano ba rin? Last touch ko malalo.
Dapat ang gawa.
Semo. Uy! Ano ba rin? Semo! Ayaw ko.
Tama to, tama. Tama to, si Dalong pa lang adaan eh.
Una ka na may before foul. Arosa. Arosa na sa ball. Arosa. Liabore. Oh, Liabore gets Bautista. 10 seconds. Liabore. Cross court pass. Yes!
Another 2 points guys, no, para sa Tumalalod. Pista now dribbling the ball.
Bautista. Bautista. Shoot! Mula sa Tumalalod. 59 seconds. Wala mo sinapis na sa Puyas eh. Servo. Servo de Masumor.
Albert yun na rin, my brother also in Lynn. Bro Albert, thank you so much for watching. Shout out. Anali Bores, thank you so much for watching. Ma'am Anali Bores, thank you so much. Shout out.
Violation.
53-61, 8 points lead. 8 points lead by 8 points lead by Nausan. 53-61. 8 abanse sa Nausan. Bula sa Nausan.
Seconds ha. Ano tayo?
Remaining time 15.2 seconds. 15.2 seconds time remaining.
Para sa ating kick na manabilin ha.
Nakadugang pa 2 points ang Tumalalod na with 15.2 seconds. So wala na bilin. That's the end of the third quarter. stand by for the last and final quarter. Mamute lang anay ta guys ha. Yes, Madam Los, no, our former mayor, kag now, our administrative consultant of LGU Mambusaw. Yes, last and final period na, Madam Los. Last and final period na. Ang score, 55-61, 55-61, 6-point lead by Nausan. Very crucial game na to, Madam Los. Ang aton nga championship match, game 1 sa aton ST Federation Inter Barangay Basketball League sa Mambusaw Capiz. So thank you so much Madam Los for watching.
Ang ikatuwa ka piso na Angelica Andalisco.
Daw may ko pa shoutout magkaina diri ba sa tanay Latoria Lianer, shoutout. Thank you so much Ner. Shoutout to you. Jomar Reyes. Yun na nga, yung score natin kanina is 55-61, 6-point lead. 6-point lead by Nausan. So very crucial game, no? And then also John Dosada, our kagawad of Barangay Poblacion proper. Thank you so much, kagawad John, for watching. Shout out to you. Of course, our Madam Miora is here right now, no? Last and final period na tayo. Last 10 minutes. So very crucial ang hampang, no? Very crucial ang hampang. Ariyon nagdaog sa Ilinon nga kanamitorn. Aro, nan. Okay, magisan sa luyo na to, no? Rochelle Lasala Lachera, thank you so much for watching. Shoutout. Ano na nga quarter? Well, last and final period na tayo. Last and final period na tayo. Rochelle. Jo Maria, shoutout. Okay, andyan na. Kervin, okay. Kanina na. Ang fourth quarter, sir, amuna ina ang pinakasadya. Yes, Pastor, tama ka. Kay diri na musigmasig na diri isang depensa kag diskarte, na? Ubos na dito isang diskarte. Pero I believe, sa last 5 minutes, mabilin. Bernadette Espinala yun, Gunusan, thank you so much. Maricel Lonas, thank you so much for watching. From Bola, Maricel Lonas, shout out. Rose Nicolas de los Santos, shout out Sir Tani. Yes, Rose, thank you so much, shout out to you.
Okay.
So thank you so much by their 150 viewers, thank you so much. Last and final period na tayo, no? So Besta is now entering to inbound the ball for the last and final period. So bantay my dear viewers to Lisada. Lisada now, top of the game. Again, servo, yun, back to Bista. Sa lower court, lower post, yun, Besta back to Lisada. 3-point attempt, good. Mayat, good job player ko dyan nga si Carlo Lisada, oh. Player ko na si Catherine. Kana ko na start. Servo now, 4 kumalalod. 3-point attempt, no good. Yun. Okay, mamati ka. Man. There is a call, there is a violation, no?
Number 30. Personal foul.
Rose Nicolas de los Santos, shout out. John Maria, shout out. Shout out kay Servo. Gulang, sana manalo kayo. Servo of tumalalod, no? I believe. Lopez Paps, so pilaban si sir. Well, sa gyapon 55-64 55-64, 9 points lead by Nausan. Nausan, Sherna is on the free throw line. First attempt. Good. So ang labaw naton, no, ang abansin naton is Nausan. Yan. So 66-55 ang score naton. 66-55 in favor of Nausan. Now Serbo got 2 points. No? So 57-66, 9 points lead by Nausan.
Vista.
Siyam na lang ang abansi, no? Siyam na lang abansi.
Oh, Bautista doon. Bautista. Servo. 11 points lead naman, no? Ang abansi sa Nausan. Yan mo rin. Vista. 10 seconds. Set number 3. Short. Ano na? Yan mo rin. Yan mo rin na Servo. Nice pass. Yan, 2 points. Pura pass.
Tutong Kinet, shoutout lang ka idol kay Lutsing family sa Tugas. So shoutout lang sa Lutsing family, no, sa Barangay Tugas from Tutong Kinet. Thank you so much for watching, Tong. Shoutout to you. Vista now, treble. Another 2 points for Nausan.
Servo. Liabore. Turnover. Stop. Sa liwan na atong game to sa Samato. Mauna na yung battle for third. Tapos ang atong game 2.
Sabado naman.
Samato. Vista Tulisada.
Sabado naman ko, no, ang game 2, no. So nag-ibang schedule nila. Ay pormirong ambal sa aton sa commissioner Nagpaeng. This Tuesday. Sabado naman ko, no. Ha? With battle for third.
11-14. Servo.
So, giniba ang schedule sa ODM, no? Kay ODM, nagatumala sa officiating. Of course, with the commissioner, with our very own Rafael Paing Laging. Shout out, no, sa iya. Estudyante ko na dati.
Double foul. Against
Double foul. 2, number 16,
number 7 is Toro.
and number 7, Ito Malalon.
Nestor 9 personal foul.
Mila Losada Crisostomo, thank you so much for watching net. Shout out to you. Jenny Leonardo Artisan, thank you so much, Jen, for watching. Shout out.
Lisana. Lisana mid pass. Vista take. Vista. Uega. Oh my foul. Number 17. Vista first. Personal foul.
Virgilio Sonyo, thank you so much for watching. Good evening, sir. Sino ang abansi? Ang abansi nato Nogsan, no? Abansi Nogsan.
Servo.
74-61, 13 points lead. 13 points lead by Nogsan.
Lisana. 10 seconds of Mia. Nandiyan. Nagul. Rebound. Liabore. Servo.
Chan Oyong, shout out sir, watching from Dubai. Sa Oyong family Bugo, Nausan, family Bugo, Nausan. Yes, shout out, no? From Dubai. Sa Oyong family, no? Shout out sa iyong family. Bugo, Nausan. From Oyong. From Chan Oyong. Chansey Gallardo Lasala, Sinabansi. Shout out. LG Bernas, nano yung quarter sa final period. So 74-62, 12 points lead by Nausan. Abansi ang Nausan. 74-62.
Okay, take ball. Yawarin na ball. Servo. Against Pesta. Servo. 10 seconds to shoot. Servo. Wow, into the toss.
Alberto Ledesma, Kagawad. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out. Monong Dayang, shout out. Kay Chapoy na Sanausan. Nonong Dayang, shout out, no? Kay Chapoy Sanausan. Yun. Another 2 points from Tumalalod. 64-76, 12 points lead by Nausan. 12 points lead by Nausan.
Observa. Siapa yang ball. 10 seconds to shoot.
Thank you so much once again. No? Thank you so much once again sa aton 118 viewers. Thank you so much for joining me here, no, for our live coverage. Thank you so much for your support. Vesta for a 3 points. Now score is 66-78. 12 points lead. 81 now, 81 now. So 66-81, 15 points lead. Daw may nagakinasadya ng kalabanan ng mga lalaki daw nakarelate ako gamay. Okay, sorry na, no? 3 minutes and 33 seconds time remaining. Our score 66-81, 15 points lead. 15 points lead by Nausan. Yasos got 2 points for Tumalalod. Now 13 points lead. 13 points lead by Tumalalod. Vesta for the ball against Yasos.
Oh, Pista. Pista. Match made. Pista.
Pista got 2 points over Liasos.
50-point lead. 3 minutes remaining playtime. Servo. Servo. Pista. Oh, pinakas yung player. Grabe si Servo. Ang kaya magpailuhan na itsura. Bawal na agad. Sa ketchup. O, Pista. Pista. Oh, kaya? Kaya pinatos? Oh, ikahanagin. Pista. Oh, Pista po. Power number 17. Pista second.
Hahaha, Carabao versus Kanting. Sige, go lang. Lalo matalo man. Puro sapat gampang. Daw hindi man. So, back to the game, no? With 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Shout out sa akong pakisa, no? Gwapahon nga negosyanteng pakisa, Dar Celestial. Shout out, Dar. Thank you so much for watching. And shout out to you. And to the whole family, no? Kay Nono, kag sa mga kids. Thank you so much. Regards. Carabao versus Kanting, ha? Nel Malben, Lisada, Lutsing, puro sapat gampang. Daw hindi man. Arnold John Andrada, shout out lang da. Yes, John, na-miss kita dre. Thank you so much for watching here and for joining our live coverage. Thank you so much. Shout out John. Kag sa imo family, sa imo gwapa-gwapang asawa, bilog na pamilya. Angelo Reyes. Sir, Angelo to. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out. Let tagat tumulalo do imo nga kasi Mario Gampang dre sa championship game 1. Ang game 2 naton sa Sabado game 2 naton Sabado.
Alisana. 10 seconds. Pista. Cross. Shoot. Oh.
83-72, 11 points lead. 11 points lead by Nausan, no? Edwin Filesardo is watching. Thank you so much, bro Edwin, for watching, for joining us. Thank you so much. Shout out to you. Michelle Delgado, ma'am. Thank you so much for watching, ma'am. Shout out to you. Thank you, boss. Game 2 ako naman. Galing. Yes, Jan, no? We need you here. Game 2. Hopefully, dari ka naman, ha? Ariyo si partner mo, So, for your information, guys, Arnold John Andrade is one of the official referee na kundri sa Mambusaw, na. Remaining time 1 minute and 8 seconds. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Okay, remaining time is 1 minute and 8 seconds. My dear viewers, supporters, subscribers, the remaining time for our championship match for tonight, for this evening, 1 minute and 8 seconds. Nabilin, game 1 ha. Game 1 pa lang tayo ng championship match. So 1 minute and 8 seconds. Our score, 72-83. 72-83. Bansi ang Nausan 83, Tumalalod 82, 11 points lead, 11 points. One minute and 8 seconds. Nastel Panilisada ang bola. So nakakuha pa 2 points ang Tumalalod, no? So 74-83, 9 points lead. 9 points lead by Nausan. This time for a 3-point, no good. Bola sa Giapon sang ayun, bola sang Tumalalod. Okay. Thank you so much, 123 viewers. Thank you so much. Hey Bert, lasor ka si Paeng Langgit malakas. Yes Bert, malakas na git si Pano. Si Paeng, si Commissioner. Galantaw-lantaw sang remaining time. Remaining time 20 seconds. Ayun, nakakuha pa 2 points si Serbo. 76. Bawi lang next game, bros. Yan to, bawi lang next game. Yes, pwede get. Kay game 2, may game 2 pa kita. So 9.3 seconds. 9.3 seconds. Nabilan. Nakarelate ang kalabanan Dreo. Abansi ang Nausan pero ang Tumalalod masadya gyapon. Daw may bot ang balon, no? So kamo na lang nag-change na guys. Perde sa puntos ang Tumalalod pero daw kinadlaw pa. Okay. Yun. Ang score 77-83. 77-83. With 4.9 seconds na bilhin, no? Tanawan yung Tumalalod, no? Bisan lamang ang Nausan pero kakalipay sila. Whatever reason is this, still the game will continue. Kung ano man na nakarelate ang kalabanan, sige lang. Pero basta daw klaro nga magadaog ang Nausan. No? Ang makapilingala sa iban, makapilingala nga daw kakasadya pang Tumalalod. Ang score na to, no, 77-83. 6-point lead by Nausan. That's the end. That's the end of this game 1. So congratulations to Nausan. 6-point lead by Nausan. 83-77. 83-77. Ha? So, latawan nyo guys, so, nalipay pang Nausan. Bisan perdi sila sa hampang, sa score, sa puntos. Pero kakalipay pa sila, oh. Natawan nyo. Daw simple lang siya. Then, Nausan, okay, kakadlaw man, tungod, daw sila sa game. So, that's it for tonight game, guys. Game 1. So, mabalik kita sa Sabado para sa game 2 sang championship gyapon game 2 championship match or finals. Sa Sabado, game 2 sa championship match and also with the battle for third. Thank you so much, 129 viewers. Thank you so much for your support. No? God bless you all. God bless us all. Good evening and good night. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Laos and Alberto. Mati kasi pag-plastin na. Ayun, nakarelate kagad kagawad. Ano? Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone. 134 viewers. Thank you so much. Bye-bye na kita. Ha? Oh, pero daw kapabilin pang iban. Sige. Habang wala music, lantaw-lantaw na itadi. Oh. Nan. Ara sila. Oh. Kakalipay na sila. Ang mga tao. No? Ara oh. Nagapululi na nan. So, siguro, may abot kung anong natabo. I will not mention. Bala nyo na. Bala nyo na ina. Nan, ora, oh. Thank you so much, sir. Anjo. Olin, thank you so much for the appreciation. Jo, no, acknowledge and noted. So, shout out to you. It's Lopez the second is watching. Thank you so much. Shout out. Ayun, napalauli ng mga tao na parang Oreo, mga official enjoy. Ayun, si Katawad Saija. Ayun, si referee Jam.
Ay, kung lumawit ka ba? Pwede na sa kawit. Pakutan.
Madamog yung salamat, Sir Dan. God bless your family. Yes, Pastor, thank you so much also for watching and for the appreciation of my live coverage. So, kita-kits naman kita, Pastor Herman, sa Sabado, no, para sa game 2, kag may battle for third naman, may battle third pa for Pangpang Norte versus Oborias. So, makita na to guys, oh. Ato, gapray ang nausan, no? So, ang tumalalod ato na, nakalakat na. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Luis Aliono. Congrats, nausan. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Kenneth John Viorenti. Sir Kenneth, thank you so much for joining our live coverage. Shout out to you and to your family, Sir Kenneth. Abaw, anak ko. Tita mo, Kid Rose. Sige. Noted. Thank you so much for watching. Arano. Gamay-gamay na gilang, almost 1.8 na lang nabilin ang mga tao nga nagalantaw subong, no, Arilio? Gamay-gamay na gilang na. Yan, no? So, ang iba nagkakulikta na lang, bot, kung ano ginakulikta nila, may takabalo. Oh, siguro ang iba natin ng viewers nakarelate. No? So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.